If you want to make over $100,000 a year by creating videos about whatever you're interested in, I have some very good news for you. I don't even show my face in the videos. I'm now revealing everything I know, so you can just copy my system and avoid the years of trial and error and expensive mistakes I went through. This works whether you're new to YouTube and just starting out, and it also works if you're a more advanced creator looking to scale your channel. This is a brand new approach to YouTube that nobody else is talking about. Because I literally get paid to research topics I'm interested in and then make a cool video about it. For example, take this video here that made over $100,000. That's around triple the average annual salary in my country. It's literally enough to buy a luxury place in Thailand by the beach, all from one video. And that's just ad revenue. I want to show you how you can use YouTube to get sponsorships and even sell your own products and services. But this video all came about because I was genuinely curious to learn about this company. So I went down the research rabbit hole and started making a video with what I found out. I was basically monetizing my procrastination as I wanted to research this anyway. And then I got to direct the video. I told my editors the style I wanted and they went and made it happen. We worked together to create something that people seem to love. And that's what my system for YouTube allows you to do. Become the director of your own mini movies and documentaries. You just work on the parts you find interesting and have a team help with the rest. And where this gets really exciting is when you build up a back catalog of videos, all generating passive income on autopilot, each with multiple revenue streams. Because when you make videos the way I'm going to show you, they can keep getting new views and thus making more money for years to come. So even if you don't post for a while, you're still making money. For example, I made a video about Coca-Cola in January 2022, but all these years later, it's still getting thousands of new views every single day and making money from ads, products, affiliate links, and more. When you do it right, every video becomes an asset. It's like digital real estate that you own forever. And this is all possible thanks to my new way of doing YouTube that allows anyone to grow a channel much faster and easier. However, here's my confession. A few years ago, I knew nothing about content creation. All I did know is that the traditional path society pushes made no sense to me. And I'm guessing if you're here, you feel the same. Spending your whole life working a job for someone else, dreading Monday mornings and living for the weekend, dealing with all the boring meetings and questioning the point of it all, and then maybe at about 70 you can finally retire and be able to do what you actually want to do. But by that point your whole body aches and so you can't even do the stuff you want. It seems crazy to me that that's considered normal. Now, I come from a poor background, and so to me, money felt like freedom to be able to do what I wanted. So I knew I needed something where there was no limit on how much I could earn. Something where I felt I was actually building something meaningful. And that's when I came to the realization of how powerful YouTube could be. I saw people promoting other things through their YouTube channel, directing that free traffic to other places, like advertising their own products or services in their YouTube videos. And not only was YouTube bringing them free customers and clients, they were getting paid by YouTube for all the views they got. To me, it just seemed like the perfect business model. There was no limit on how big you could grow it, and literally anyone could easily set up a channel and get started. All you need is a laptop and internet connection. However, initially, I tried to go the traditional route of being on camera making talking head videos. The problem was, I really didn't enjoy having to be on camera all the time. It was a hassle to set all the equipment up, sometimes it wouldn't properly record and I wouldn't realize until after, and then it'd take me ages to edit even a basic video as I didn't know what I was doing. Worst of all, the videos just weren't interesting. So unsurprisingly, they got hardly any views. Basically, it was really time consuming for very poor results. My entire first year on YouTube, I only got 1,000 subscribers. It didn't help that I was just following random free YouTube advice I could find online, which in hindsight was terrible. And so I was wasting time focusing on the wrong things. I knew YouTube was this incredible opportunity, but I just felt stuck. But then I discovered some channels making higher quality videos. They were still run by creators, but they were approaching it more like a media company and building a team of online freelancers to help them. Some of them didn't even show their face in the videos. So I took time to go study what was actually working and why. And this totally changed my approach to YouTube. As soon as I moved towards this new style of video, I started focusing more on skills like storytelling and understanding how the algorithm actually worked. The channel's momentum started to grow rapidly. I got way more views, subscribers, and revenue. Making videos also became a lot more fun, and I actually found it easier than what I'd been doing previously, because with my new system, it allowed me to just focus on the parts of content creation I wanted to, and make videos I was genuinely excited to make. Plus, the video quality was now much better. My process became pretty simple. I'd research a topic I was interested in, I'd write out what I learned and make it into a story, I recorded the script and sent it to my editor, and I worked with them to create something awesome in whatever style I wanted. I was getting all the benefits of a YouTube channel, but without having to even go out and film videos. I was getting all the benefits of being an influencer, but without losing my privacy. And the fact I could make this kind of money just sat in my bedroom was wild to me. Seriously, how cool is it that you can make a full-time income making videos about whatever topics you're interested in, and you can do it from anywhere in the world? People had been telling me YouTube was too saturated, but it's a good job I didn't listen. The system can work for anyone, and any type of content. Are you into history, tech, travel, philosophy, scandals, AI, fitness, football, crypto, psychology, celebrity drama, self-improvement, real estate, true crime? The possibilities are endless. Whatever you like talking about or learning about in your free time, you could make videos around that. Picture this. You wake up when you want, no alarm, as you are your own boss. Whilst you are asleep, many thousands of people from around the world have been viewing your library of videos, earning you genuine passive income 24/7. You have an audience who love your content, and your videos are making a real impact on people. You're spreading your message to millions. And your channel is filled with comments about how great your content is, and you're excited for your audience to see it. You don't need to show your face or even use your own voice if you don't want to, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. You make way more money than you ever did in a job, and there's no limit to how much you can make, as there's so many different ways to monetize. Lots of revenue streams unlock once you build an audience. And YouTube is constantly promoting your videos to your target audience. And because your videos have positioned you as an expert in your niche, your videos are converting those views into paying customers for your digital product. People are messaging you, asking you how you did it. You're connecting with creators you yourself admire. And because you have financial freedom, you can spend your time how you want. You can relax and sip cocktails on a beach. You can party, meet people, and go to events. You can give your family and friends everything they deserve. You can see the world and travel anywhere, anytime. Or you can continue to build your media empire. You can reinvest in making even bigger projects, like commissioning the documentaries and videos you want to see in the world. Because you're no longer stressed about money, you now have the clarity to focus on making the passion projects you want to make. All that separates you from the life you want is the right skills. And this course is going to give you all the skills you need to succeed on YouTube. Everything that I wish I'd known much sooner. The exact blueprint I would give to myself if I could go back in time. So by the end of this course, your life will have changed in two main ways. Number one, you'll have the step-by-step process to make incredible content that you love making and people love watching. Never before has a course taught every single one of the skills you need to make viral content. Until now.